Mingo Falls. You ready?
Ready.
Is the water cold? Okay, this is day 2.
Day 2.
And we are about to go find a geocache at Mingo Falls.
Mingo Falls.
No signal. Look at the sun coming through the trees.
Wow.
Woo!
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we got it.
Okay, cool.
All right, thank you, Dad.
No problem. Y'all have fun.
Okay, we will. Bye. Okay, so
I still didn't find it. Still didn't have
the
it.
problem was my phone wasn't working, so I had to call my dad, and he had to tell me the hint, and we just kind of had to go off of what he was telling us. But the hint was really good.